Today we are going to be talking about how sex benefits all genders. But today we are going to be focusing on how sex benefits women. Before we get started, please be sure to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Do you know that sexual health is more than avoiding diseases and unplanned pregnancies? It's also about recognizing that sex can be an important part of your life. In women, having an orgasm increases blood flow and releases natural pain-relieving chemicals. Additionally, sexual activity in women can improve bladder control, reduce incontinence, relieve menstrual and premenstrual cramps, improve fertility, build stronger pelvic muscles, help produce more vaginal lubrication, potentially protect you against endometriosis, or the growing of tissue outside your uterus. The act of sex can help strengthen your pelvic floor. A strengthened pelvic floor can also offer benefits like less pain during sex and reduced chance of a vaginal prolapse. One study shows that PVI can result in reflexive vaginal contractions caused by penile thrusting. Tune into my video next week to learn about how sex can benefit your mental health.